Today, I'm going to be reviewing Hugeme's tug-of-war dog toys. Look at this. You get a monkey, an elephant, and we got Roomba here today, again, ready to play with the... She already likes it. We got a Squeaky in this one, and we got a nice soft head here. She doesn't know which one to choose, but I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. She loved the last toy, and she's already going, I literally just took these out of the box, so she's going crazy. You already know that she loves these. I like Hugeme's toys because not only are they fun, but they're also machine washable, which is very nice. I know you want to play. Roomba likes to, here, come here. So anyways, you get two of these. I'll put the size up. They're a good size here. You got, this one has the rope as the body, so great tug of war. The elephant has a rope on the back and a Squeaky toy, which Roomba really likes. She's gonna grab onto that. These do pretty well on Amazon. They get 4 stars. It's a great deal. And last month, 900 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.